morning, mister.
Good morning, Rania. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Sadine, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Great. Muhammad, good morning.
Good morning, Mister.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Great. Rimas, Saad, how are you?
Good.
Great. Hassan and Serene, how are you?
Fine.
Great. Muhammad Saada, how are you?
I'm fine.
Great. Ahmed Al-Qiyat, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Fine.
Great. So guys, have you finished your exams?
No,
No, but
Not
today
yet.
we don't have an exam.
Yeah, when you will finish your exams?
Tomorrow and maybe after tomorrow because the Islamic didn't give us.
Yeah. So good luck. How was your exams till now?
Easy.
Great.
Easy.
good.
Great. Sarah, how are you? Okay, so Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Let's start. Yesterday, we were talking about what? About the volume, right? And we said the volume of a prism, it's how many unity cubes I can fill in my prism without gaps or overlaps, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So we suppose that we have a box, okay? Suppose that we have a box. Now, in my box, to find its volume, I need to fill it with a unit of cubes, okay? Then, when I fill it completely, I just count how many unit of cubes I have there, and that will be what? The volume, right?
مستر
Yes?
مستر امبارح ما فهمت ايش هي ما اعرفش ليش
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Why? Because I'm going to give you something today. Look for this thing here. Do you see this box, guys? Do you see it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, now look, we have this box, and I want to find the volume of this box. So I will start putting inside it what? I will start putting the unity cubes, right? This is small cube, it's the unity cube. Each cube like will be 1 centimeter height and 1 centimeter long and 1 centimeter width, right? Because that's the unity cube that will be 1 by 1 by 1. We say that, right? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Now we
Yeah,
will
Mr.
start filling it like this. Okay, so I will do that. Look now. Now, this is how I will fill completely my prism. So I'm starting putting what? The base. Do you see? This is we call it what? The base. Do you know what base mean?
Yes.
What is the base? Who can tell me what is the base?
The layer
something.
What?
the basic or
The base. What is the base?
like the layer at the down or
Yes. The layer that will be in the bottom of my prism. Okay?
Yeah.
That we call it what? The base. Okay. Do you know what it means in Arabic?
أساسية.
No. القاعدة.
قاعدة.
Yeah, قاعدة. Okay? The base,
Okay.
it's the layer that in the bottom of my prism. Okay? Okay. Now, I made the base now. and I will start putting a layer above it like this. Okay, great. Great. Okay, great. Now we filled completely what we filled completely our prism, right? And now all I need to do is count how many prisms I have there. Sorry, how many unit cubes I have filled there. That will be the volume. Okay. But look here. How can I count them? How can I count these unit squares? Okay, now here is the trick that I will give to you. Now look, let's back for the first one. Before that, now look, we stayed without gaps or overlaps. Now let's see the gap. Now this is a gap. This is a gap. You see here, we have some empty space inside my prism. I didn't fill it completely, right? So if I went like this and I went like this, you see, we still having what? We still having an empty space in my prism. What we call this empty space? A gap, okay?
Okay.
Now, let's see the overlap. Let's see the overlap. Now, the overlap will be something like that, something outside my prism, okay? So if you complete your prism, that will be something like that. So you have an extra unit squares outside your prism. That's not acceptable. Sure. So you need to have exactly.
Mr. I'm not understand.
Don't worry. Don't worry. This thing is just for like an introduction. Okay. Now we will take the formulas to find the volume of the prism. Okay. So now we say we have this prism and I want to find its volume. Okay. Let's try to make it in another angle like this. We want to find its what? Its volume. Okay. What we will do, I will fill it at first. I will fill it like this. So now I have filled all my prism. Now look here. Look here. Let me write. So I need to find three things to find the volume. I need to know three things to find the volume. What is these three things? I need to find the length of the base, okay? So here, the length 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the length is 7 here, okay? And I need to find the width of my prism. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4. And also I need to find the height. So the length and the width and the height of my prism. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Also 4. Okay. So the length and the width and the height. Okay, great. Now the volume of the prism will be what? There will be the length times the width times the height. Okay, so volume will be length times width times height. In my case here, the volume will be, the length is 7, the width is 4, yes, Ahmed, and the height is also 4.
Mr. Can I say how much it's equal?
Yeah.
112.
Let's see. I don't know. Let's see. So how to multiply that? We have many ways to multiply that. So 7 times 4, that equals to 28. 28.
Yeah.
Now 28 times 4. 4 times 8 equals 32. So there's the 2 and here's the 3. 4 times 2, 8 plus 3, 11. So 112. So yeah, excellent. So 112. Is there a problem with that?
No.
So what I will do, I will give you a prism like that, and I will give you these three numbers. Okay.
Exam?
Yes, an exam. I will give you these three numbers, and I will give you this prism. So all you need to do to find the volume is to multiply the length times the height times the width. That's it. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Is there a problem with that?
No.
Everyone, do you have a problem with that?
No.
No.
So all you need to do is
Mister, I don't understand.
what?
I don't understand.
Okay, let's take another example. So I will give you a prism. I will give you a prism like this. Okay, and I will tell you that the length is like 3, the width is 2, and the height is 3, maybe something like that. I will tell you find the volume. Okay, the volume will be what? The length times the width
Yeah.
times the height. Now the length here is 3, so 3 times the width is 2 times the height is 3. Okay, now you just need to multiply it. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 3 equals 18. So the volume will be 18. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, now let's see. If I'm talking here about, for example, centimeters, 3 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters. If we are talking about something with centimeters, the volume will be 18 centimeters cubed. Cubed, you see that? Why it's a cubed? Because we are talking about the volume, okay? And the volume should have a unit cubed, okay? Okay, guys?
Yes.
Do you have a problem with that?
No.
No.
Okay, great. Now, this is the first way to find the volume. I will give you the length, and I will give you the width, and I will give you the height. All you need to do is to multiply it by each other.
Sir, and if the shape is not a square or a
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is something different.
Right.
Yeah, Tyler, this is something totally different. So in this topic, we are just talking about the volume of the rectangular prism. That's it. Okay. So I will not ask you about another shapes. Okay. So
Okay.
sure, many shapes we can find the volume of it, and it has its own formulas. Maybe we'll talk about that in grade 7th, not now. For now, we just want to talk about the rectangular prism. Okay, Tala? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, great. So this is the first way that will give you the length and the width and the height of the prism. Now look, guys, this is the base of my prism, right? Let me just color it with another color. This thing, this is the base, right?
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
this base is actually what? Is actually a rectangle, right? Can you see that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great. Now let me show you something so interesting. So we've done with the first thing, which is how to find the volume by multiplying the length times the width times the height. Now we have a different way. It's still the same way, but with different demonstration. Let's see that. Now look, in this here, we say that this is the base is rectangle, right? And I know how to find the area of the rectangle. The area of the rectangle is length times width, right? So the area of this rectangle will be the length times the width, right? Right, guys?
Yes.
So
Yeah.
I'll tell you that the volume, this is another formula for the volume. It's the base, the area of the base times the height. The area of the base times the height. Okay, great. Now, What is the area of the base here? It's the length times the width, which is 2 times 3, which is 6,
6.
right? Times
Mm.
the height is 3. So it's also equals to 18
18.
centimeter cubed. You see that? Look, we have the same result. We had the same result. You see that? So we have two cases. The first case, I will give you the length and the width and the height. So to find the volume, multiply length times width times height. In another case, I will give you the area of the base and the height. So also to find the volume, you multiply the area of the base times the height, okay? Two cases, you see that? Now let's go to the
Yes.
book. Let's go to the book and see some questions. So now open your books page, which is page 463. 463. Did you open your book, guys?
Yes.
Okay.
Mr. Which page is this?
463. Okay, should I start now? Everyone open your cam, please.
Yeah.
Open your cam, so you will need to solve with me now. Okay, now find the volume of each rectangular prism. Find the volume of each rectangular prism. Okay, great. Now, let's see in the first case. In question number 3, the question give me the length and the width and the height.
Sir, can I answer it with you?
Yes, yeah, Muhammad. The volume will be, Muhammad, here what?
9
Yes,
by 2
times 2, yes.
times. Yeah. Times 4.
Times 4, excellent. Now, why Muhammad choose that thing? Because in the question, I gave you the length and the width and the height. So you use the formula length times width times height, which is 9 times 2 times 4. And Muhammad, that equals to what?
72.
What's, yes, because this is 9 times 4 times 2, 8. So it's 9 times 8, which is 72. Excellent, Muhammad. So 72, and because we are talking about inches here, that will be here, and I will put it here because I don't have enough space. That will be inch squared, inch cubed. Okay, so 72 inch cubed. That means what? That means inside my rectangular prism, this rectangular prism, I can put 72 unit cube. You see that? You see how this is related to the unit cubes?
Yes.
So that means inside my prism, I can put 72 unit cubes without gaps or overlaps. Is there a problem with that?
And we only multiply.
What?
We only multiply.
Yes, yes, we only.
What is the V?
Yeah,
Mr. What is the V?
Mr.
yes.
Why did we put V?
Oh,
V means the volume. That means the
Oh.
volume equals to this thing. Okay?
okay.
So now in the second case, here in question number 4, he didn't give me the length of the 3 dimensions, but he gave me what? The area of the base and the height. So I will use the second formula. The second formula tells me that the volume equals the area of the base times the height, right? Now the area of the base here is 24. So we have 24 times the height is 9. Now all you need to do is multiply this times this. Now we have 240 minus 24, 216, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, so 216.
16.
Now, because here we are talking about yards, you see, the unit here is yard. So
That's 3.
yes, that will be yard cubed.
3.
That's it. It's super easy. You see that?
Mr.
Yes.
Yes, the 24 is the base.
The area of the base. Yes.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Yeah. 24 is the area of the base. Now look, the area of the base, we put what? We put yard squared. You see that here? So the area, now the length is just yard. The length of anything is just yard. Now the area will be yard squared. Now the volume will be yard cubed. You see that?
Yes.
Yes, ya Muhammad?
Yes, Mr.
You raise your hand.
Sorry.
It's okay. Now, let me see you doing number 5 now. Yalla.
Mr. I do it.
Let me see. So length times width times height. So you have 21 times 4. That equals to 48. Excellent, ya Muhammad. Excellent. Tala, 48. Tala, it's good if you put the unit, which is centimeter cubed. Excellent, Tala. Farhana? Yes, excellent, Farhana, but please do number 5 now.
Number 4, 3 or 4? Or 5?
Do
What is
number-
5?
Do number 5.
Mm.
Serene, one by one, please. What is that, ya Serene? Serene, we are on page 363, I guess, right? Farhana, excellent, ya Farhana, but please, after the 48, but, sorry, 84, after the 84, put centimeter cubed.
Mr. 363?
463. Rimas, now Rimas, 7 times 4 times 3, that equals to 48. Sorry, 84, Rimas, sorry. 7 times 4 times 3 equals to 84, yeah, Rimas. Ahmed Al-Khair, can you make it closer, please? Not 54. Ahmed, you did something incorrect. Not 54. It's 84. حسن حجير, سارة, أحمد سعادة, سعد خريس, تالي طاشمان, غسان, وملك. Show me your work, guys. Yes, يا أحمد.
أستاذ.
Yes, excellent, Ahmed. Yes, يا رانيا. غسان, open your cam. Sadine.
Mr. Like,
Sadine, yeah, but put the unit.
دقيقة.
It's centimeter cubed.
okay.
شو يا رانيا?
أستاذ. مستر.
Centimeter cubed, not centimeter, centimeter cubed. Yes, يا غسان.
So it doesn't matter.
مستر احنا عم نروح الدار مقلوب قلاب مش نلاقي الدفتر.
مش فاهم. طيب على أي ورقة؟ اكتب على ظهرك يا غسان ورجيني.
So Mr. The answer is correct يعني.
Yeah, but I need you to put the unit, which is centimeter cubed. Thank you يا سارة. حسن حجير. ملك. سعد خريس. طلال باشمان. أحمد سعادة. Where's your work, guys?
هسه افتح بوري.
يلا بسرعة.
مستر.
أحمد الخيط. Can you tell me the answer يا أحمد? Tell me the answer, please.
80.
84.
Teacher.
Guys, we are
Mr.
on
I'm
number 5.
in number 6.
Guys, we are on number 5. Number 5, page 463. Number 5,
Yeah,
page...
Mr. I solved number 6.
Yeah, wait, for number 6, just wait, please.
Mr. I solved them all.
Thank you, Muhammad. But just wait. We are doing one by one. Thank you. Excellent.
Sir.
Yes, ya Malak. What?
مستر أنا بعت لك على الواتس يمكن على خربان بس لسه ما وصلكيش.
ولا فهمت شيء.
تقول لك بعت لك يا على الواتساب لانه كاميرتي خربانه.
مستر number Mr.
Yes.
Number 3 is the answer is 122 or 112?
Number what?
3.
Number 3. Number 112.
Teacher.
112.
13
Teacher.
13 Now,
Yes.
13 please do number 5 يا تلا and send it to me.
Okay.
Look.
Yeah, thank you, Rimas, but just wait and don't forget to put the units.
مستر
Yeah.
انا ما بعرفش هذا don't understand.
Thank you, Malak. I've seen it. Thank you, Malak. Now, Hassan Hajir, can you make it close, please? Hassan, open your mic and tell me the answer because I can't see well.
Yes, Mister.
What is the answer, Hassan?
V4 times 4 times 5 equal 18.
Eight. Yeah. You're solving number 5. No, you're solving number 6. So 4 times 4, 4 times 4 times 5 equals 280. Yes, 80-inch cubed. Excellent.
Mister.
Yes, Rania.
Mister, I don't understand anything.
Rania, just multiply the 3 numbers. Just multiply. You see these 3 numbers? Just multiply them. So 5 times 4 equals 20. 20 times 4 equals to 80. That's it.
Teacher, see?
Do we solve
Yes,
number 6?
excellent. Excellent, Sri. Now, I
Mr.
need
can
you.
you do mine?
Wait, Muhammad Saade. Excellent, ya Muhammad. Thank you. Muhammad Hayek, excellent. Farhana, I can't see well, ya Farhana. Can you make it closer?
Teacher.
Hassan? Okay.
Yes.
It's 80.
Where?
Yeah. 80 and 84, right? Yeah, excellent.
Yes.
Excellent, thank you. Sarah, excellent, ya Sarah. Thank you. Farhana, tell me the answer, please. You tell me the answer.
Mr. number 4, number 5.
Number 5 and number 6. Yes, excellent. Yeah. Excellent. Thank you.
Teacher, number 6 is 80 inches.
Yes, 80 inches cubed. Now, let's stop here and let me ask you a question. Oh, before the question, do number 7. Now, the 7, we are using here the second formula. The second formula is to multiply the area of the base times the height.
Mr. I solved.
Thank you, Tala Farah. Thank you. I've seen it. Thank you.
Mr. I solved it.
Excellent, Muhammad. Excellent. Brilliant.
Teacher,
Yes.
can I go to the bathroom?
Just go back. Go quickly.
Mister, can you see mine?
Excellent, yeah, Sarah. Rimas, excellent. Farhana, brilliant. That's great. Sadine, excellent. Yes, excellent. Thank you, guys.
Welcome.
Thank you, Malak. I'm seeing it. Yeah, that's good. Now, let me ask you a question, guys. When we say in here, number 2, but please, if you want to answer, raise your hand. Ahmed Abu Khair. Thank you, Ahmed. Now, in this question here, the question, for example, let's take a question number 6, this one. In question number 6, we say that the volume is what? Is 80 inch cubed. No, sorry, 80 inch cube. Now, that's the volume of the prism. Now, who can tell me what that means? What that means that the volume of my prism equals to 80 inch cubed. Who can tell me that?
Mr. Can you repeat the question?
Yes, yes, Adine. What we mean when we say that the volume equals to 80? Yes, yes, Adine.
Like we'll multiply the height with the.
Yeah, what that means. I know how to do it. What that means. Yes, yeah. Tala?
Can I?
Yes, yeah, Tala.
There is 80 unit cubes in this rectangular prism.
Excellent. That means I can put inside my rectangular prism 80 unit small cube without gap or overlap. Yeah, it's okay. Thank you. Okay. You got it, guys? That means, now look, the sun, it's in front of my camera. So you see that? Okay, so that means we need 80 unity cubes to fill my prism without gaps or without overlap. Okay?
I
Okay,
don't
guys.
understand
What?
the thing this.
أستاذ إحنا شايفينك شمس.
It's okay.
Mr. This thing that you said now.
Who's talking?
Me, Sadine.
You don't understand it?
Not everything, just the thing you said now.
Yeah, we say that the volume is what? Is 80 inch cubed, right?
Yeah.
So what that means? That means my prism, this prism, I can put inside it an 80 unity cubes.
Oh.
You see that?
Yeah.
So to fill it all, I need 80 unity cubes. That's what we mean by the volume is 80. Okay?
Yes.
Great. غسان موجود، فرحانة موجودة، محمد سعادة موجود، محمد الحايك موجود، ملاك سامي موجود. Okay. So independent practice is a homework, guys. Okay? Independent practice is a homework. And
like this.
problem solving number 11 is a homework also. Salma, just multiply the 3 numbers, yes, Salma.
Teacher,
Yes.
I solved all of the questions.
I multiply it.
Mr. Me too. I solved them all.
It's okay. It's okay. That's good. Excellent.
Instead here I multiply the 4 and 3. The answer I multiplied by 7
Yes, that's it.
and I solve it all.
That's it.
But
Thank
I
you.
don't understand what number 4 how I need to do it.
انت جيت متأخر يا سلمى صح؟ طيب. In this questions, you see it? This one and this one and this one. You see it? You just multiply the area of the base times the height. That's it. And instead of multiply 3 numbers, here you just need to multiply the 2 numbers.
Teacher, يعني problem solving number 11 بدهم إياه to multiply 9 by 7.
شو ما عرفنا نعمل خليه لحالك.
ما فهمتش إشي منها.
حليه، ما هون القصة انت عشان تفهمين. Okay guys, any question?
No.
Master, thank you.
Great. Inshallah, see you tomorrow. Wish you have a great day.
Teacher,
Yes, Yasireen.
which number in problem solving?
Number 11. Just question number 11. Okay?
Okay.
Homework.
Yes. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.